over caution, being too timid to try, too cautious to try. But that's what life is all about. You gotta take a chance. You don't have to be foolish, but you have to plant in the spring to have a harvest in the fall. Someone may say, well, what if a storm comes? What if a hailstorm comes and beats my crop into the ground? Here's what you must do. You gotta take a chance. Someone says, what if it doesn't work? I've got a better phrase for you. What if it does? Somebody says, what if I go broke? That's one option. Here's the next one. What if you get rich? You gotta take a chance. If you meet someone, take a chance and tell them the story. If you meet someone, work up your courage and give them an invitation. You gotta take a chance. Someone says, if you have a child, what if this happens? And what if they get ill? And what if all this goes wrong? I understand that. What if someday they won't respect you? I understand the possibility. But you gotta take a chance. Someone says, isn't marriage a little tricky? Yes. But you gotta take a chance. Take a chance and step out. Make the note. The same wall that keeps out disappointment keeps out happiness. You gotta take a chance. Move out into the day and take a chance. Move into someone's life and take a chance. Conduct a meeting and take a chance. Tell the story and take a chance. Yes, someone may say no, but they may say yes. You gotta take a chance. I don't know how many are gonna believe what I say today, and some may not believe, but I decided to come here and take a chance. Tell my story one more time. Do a meeting one more time and see what happens. Serious. Life is serious. The future is serious. One ancient novelist said, these are the best of times and these are the worst of times. The best of times and the worst of times. That's called serious matter. How come such a difference from those who can reach such incredible heights and those who haven't yet found the answers for their life and their health and their future? We just have to ponder that and let that give us a note of seriousness, a note of seriousness. Ideas, information that can be life-transforming. Don't miss the opportunity to learn. Take a good key phrase home, use it in your training. Don't be lazy in learning. Don't be casual in learning. Get smart. Here's a couple of parts to it. Number one, your own personal experience. Right? If you've had a bad week, just sit down and ponder that for a while. Study it. See if you can't pick up some ideas from a poor week and then make a better week. Learn from your own experiences. One way to learn to do it right is do it wrong. I mean, that's one way to learn to do it right. Do it wrong. Now, the key is don't let it take too long. If you've done it wrong for a year, we suggest that's long enough. You don't need another year just to prove a point. No, 1 year is enough. Learn from your own experience, right? This is called the possibility for life change starts with education. Don't be lazy in learning. Don't be lazy in picking up the ideas. Don't be lazy in learning from your own experience. Learning is the beginning of wealth. Learning is the beginning of life change. When I travel with Mark Hughes, he's got his book open. He's got a book open. He's reading. He's studying. Lives of successful people. Lives of despicable people. Study, learn, grow, change, develop. Never let it be said you didn't learn. Right? If you want to solve your problems, you got to learn. If you want to take advantage of an opportunity, you got to learn. And now in closing, I want you to jot down these 4 expressions. The first one is why. Why work this hard? Why put yourself through this much effort? Why would I get on an airplane? I don't need to work. I don't need to fly. I don't need to work this hard. Why? Why read that many books? Why work this hard? Conduct that many meetings? Why try to go for it all? Why try to be everything? Why try to do everything? Why try to do business around the world? People ask Mark, you're already rich and wealthy. Why would you go to Republic of China? You're already wealthy. Why would you try to open up another country? So Mark said he kept on, month after month, month after month. 1 year passed, 1.5 years passed, finally 2 years passed. The miracle happened. Mexico back open. Mark said it was worthwhile. Everybody else said, why? Why? You're rich already. Why do you need it? And you're going to have the same question. Why work this hard? Why get up this early? Why stay up this late? Why go that far? Why make these kind of sacrifices? Why talk to that many people? Why try to see how much you can earn, how far you can go? Why try to see how much you can accomplish, how many skills you're going to be challenged by? Why do all this? Good question. But now jot down the second question. It's the best answer I know of to the first one, and that's why not? Why not see how far you can go? Why not see how much you can earn? Why not see how many people you can reach? Why not see how many projects you can support? Why not set a goal to see how many people you can help? I ask myself, why not try to reach the peak of my skills by the year 2000? What else am I going to do? Right? Why not see how far you can go, how much you can earn, how much you can share? Why not see how many meetings you can conduct? Why not see how many skills you can develop? Why not see the world? Why not do something extraordinary with your life? Why not touch other people and invest in their lives and watch unusual things happen? Why not? Hey, you've got to stay here till you go. Why not? See how far you can go, how much you can do, how much you can take on, how much you can challenge yourself by. Why not? Now here's the third question. I wished I could ask this question of each of you personally, but I haven't got the time. I'm going to ask you collectively, question number 3, but I want you to take it personally. And my third question is, why not you? Why not you? If Mark can do it from where he started, if Jim Rohn, raised in farm country, parents of modest means, limited education, if I can do it and be invited to enjoy this extraordinary journey with Mark Hughes, why not you? Why not you? We started with nothing. We started in debt. We started scared. We started with lack of skills. We started with an empty bank account. We started with challenges. Somehow, step by step, we made it. Through all the doubts, we made it. Through the summertime, we made it. Through the winter times, we finally made it. Yes, we're being honored now, but look where we started. And if we can do it, you can do it. And why not you? Why not you with extraordinary skills? Why not you with power to spare? Why not you becoming a leader of many people into the future? Why not you doing business around the world? Why not you investing in other people and watching them grow? Why not you with personal satisfaction, having all of your bills paid and a fortune to spare? Why not you sponsoring all the projects you want to sponsor, taking it? Why not you walking with respect before your family? Why not you becoming a leader of leaders? Why not you mastering the skills and having extraordinary self-confidence, self-esteem? Why not you? And here's my last question. Why not now? I've got a good note for you to make as I wind up here today. There never was a better time. There never was a better time. Here's why. Number 1, the world is ready. There never was a better chance. Yes, we might blow it, but I think we've got a better chance now not to blow it than 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 100 years ago. Yes, I know there's still a lot of crazy people out there in the world, but we've got a better chance now for democracy to flourish than we've ever had in 6,000 years of recorded history. We've got a better chance now politically. We've got a better chance now socially. We've got a better chance now with a young country like yours and mine. America's only a little over 200 years old. We've got a better chance now to spread the news of free enterprise, freedom, democracy. We've got a better chance now than the world's had in 6,000 years of recorded history. There never was a better time. We've got a better chance now to conquer some diseases that we didn't have a chance 50 years ago and 100 years ago. We've got a better chance now to spread the word through technology and television and airplanes that fly and hooking up with satellites around the world. We've got a better chance now than we've ever had before to spread the word, better nutrition, fabulous products, financial opportunity, touching people's lives and watching them grow. There never was a better time. There never was a better time for your country. There never was a better time for my country. There never was a better time for the countries that are represented here today. This is the time. This is the moment. So why not now? Get your act together. Develop your skills. Pay more attention than you ever have in the past. Develop more confidence than you ever have in the past. A chance to grow faster than you've ever grown in the past. A chance to touch more people's lives with technology. This is your time. This is your moment. Here's what I want you to do. Take advantage. Take advantage of this moment.